ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നാം ചർച്ച ചെയ്യുന്നത് 8ാമത്തെ ചാപ്റ്റർ ടുവേഴ്സ് എ ന്യൂ കേരള സൊസൈറ്റി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ്. അനലൈസ് ദി സർക്കംസ്റ്റൻസസ് ദാറ്റ് ലേഡ് ദി ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ ഫോർ ദി formation of the Kerala society based on gender equality. Due to the caste system and male domination prevalent in the society, the fight of women of different sections varied. The Nambudiri women were confined to the four walls of their houses. The working class women of the Avarna communities had to face discrimination and exploitation from the Savarnas. The social reformers raised their voice against such exploitations, discriminations, and inequalities. New ideas were formed and activities were organized for better wages and proper dress code, and also against gender discrimination and occupational exploitation. This helped in the formation of the modern democratic view based on gender equality. Which are the major revolts led by women? The Channa Revolt, otherwise known as Upper Cloth Mutiny. The Channa Revolt that fought for the right of the Channar women to wear upper clothes and knee-length garments. The Tholvirag Revolt at Chimeni in Kasaragod. Mechilpullu Revolt led by Kandagai Kunyakamma of Kandagai, who wrote the play അടുക്കളയിൽ നിന്ന് അരങ്ങത്തേക്ക്. V.T. Bhattadirippad, who wrote the play Ridumati. Premji. Write a short note about missionary activities. The Christian missionaries played an important role in the social reform movements in Kerala. Their contribution in the field of education is remarkable. Their institutions admitted students from all sections of society, irrespective of caste and religion. This progress in education inspired the social awakening in Kerala. Which are the major missionary groups that function in Kerala? London Mission Society, Church Mission Society, Basil Evangelical Mission. What are the positive changes brought about by the reform movements in Kerala? Right to move freely along public roads was granted. Movements against the discrimination in occupation, naming, dwellings, and dress code were formed. Caste hierarchy was questioned. It was realized that education is the base of all progress. Modern education was promoted. The importance of women education and gender equality was recognized. Assignment. Prepare a note on the social changes in Kerala brought about by the social reform movements. ഇതോടുകൂടി ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.